Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open any apps, for example Gallery, YouTube and Browser. Then click on the left button, tap on the icon of an app and select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first one, second one and the third one. To see all of them, click at the bubbles. As you can see, now I can use all of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, click on the X sign at the top right corner of each window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!